One of the underrated activities that accountants perform periodically is the process of facility maintenance. The term facility maintenance includes the activities like keeping a good track of all the facilities that you have with various banks and financial institutions, segregating these between funded and non-funded facilities, tracking what is the balance available against the facilities. But because remember, the liquidity is not necessarily just the amount of physical cash that you have in the banks. It's a sum total of your physical cash and the amount of funds that you have access to through these pre-negotiated facilities. So it's extremely important to know how much of that balance you still have that you can tap into from time to time as your business needs these cash. The facilities often also come with various conditions and covenants that have to be met. For instance, the banks, giving you these facilities may require you to maintain certain, ratios in your financial statements: debt equity ratio, liquidity ratio, current ratio. The banks may also require certain pre-approvals if you were to dispose certain assets or incur certain capital expenditure more than a certain amount, or if you were to make some major business changes like acquisitions and hive-offs and things like that. I sincerely believe this is too many activities to execute manually. So Kuber TMS offers a comprehensive facility management solution that allows accountants to record all these facilities in the system, classify them as combined facility or sub-facility or supporting facilities, further classify them into the loans, letter of credits, bank guarantee facilities, and so on, and specify the amount of limits against these facilities. The facility management master also lets you capture all those securities that you need to provide or you have provided as a part of the facilities. It also lets you capture the various guarantees that you've given as a part of the facility. And of course, the covenants like prior consent, ratios, the various reports that you need to send to the bank periodically can all be listed there in a manner that system understands and is able to send you the notifications from time to time. Last but not the least, the facility management process in Kuber TMS has the pre-warning mechanisms when you're trying to record a LC or a BG or a drawdown deal or even an overdraft deal that exceeds the amount of facility balance that's remaining. And finally, there are reports that you can just click and determine the amount of facility balance you have remaining so that you can take an informed decision about extending these facilities or increasing the facility limits in the light of forthcoming cash outflows that you anticipate. Right. Overall, I believe this underrated activity takes considerable time for the accountants, and it doesn't really have to. So all you need is to implement Kuber TMS that lets you capture it once and then just leave it there and let system intelligently notify you, validate, against your transactions, and overall, help you maintain, the facility management in the system with ease. Thank you for watching.